Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I don't know if you guys are watching this in the morning. We are playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre, a horror game, multiplayer. So I'll be chased by online people, or I'll do the chasing. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I wanna be, yeah, I wanna be the fan mother, please. I wanna be Leatherface, the classic, the man himself. I have no clue what any of these abilities are. Oh, hi. This is me. I am enjoying. Yikes. Okay. What is this? Search. Oh, is it for like when people hide? Okay, I like that. Why am I under here? Come here, miss. Can I destroy it? Thrust. Oh. So they can't really escape. There we go. An obstacle destroyed. Where? No! No! Why now? Why when I'm in front of her? You make me... God, that's such annoying. I'm just gonna break it so she's stuck there. There she is. Really? Chainsaw style? God damn it. Oh. Oh, okay, he woken up. So now am I able to? Basically. Interesting. Oh, I see him. I see them. Are you freaking serious? Okay, you stay there. I'll stay in the house, man. Nobody's keeping up our eyes out. Okay. Well, that happened. We killed someone. He's really excited. Right button. Left, right, okay. Oh, wow, you can... That's your play style, not for me. These are like dark corners. Poison that. Oh no, that's not good. You know what that means. See you.
Oh, you poor little thing.
Are you serious? Do I just stay out for a minute? Ah, you make it really annoying.
I guess I can't save you after all.
Ah, she doesn't know I poisoned it like an idiot she is. Let me stay out for a moment, please. Okay. Finally. Oh god. Well, that happened. Okay.
I am sorry it had to come to this.
The escape. It's too late. Too late. Yep.
When you see the children, X's on their head. If you dare to look at them, soon you will be dead.
Yes. So. Oh, she.
Oh, sugar! Does that
Yeah, nah. He's just like, I want a piece of that. Okay, so far I got 2 kills with this. This is pretty hot. Mm. Ah. Okay, yeah, let's skip that. That was cool. A photographer and in his role as the hitchhiker running down the infamous driveway. Okay, oh, behind the scenes. On the set, photography of Texas Chainsaw Massacre cast resting in scorching Texas heat. Look at that. That's super cool. On set, photographer co-written Kim reviewing the script.